Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check the maximum RAM capacity that your laptop can support using a simple PowerShell command. If you're looking to upgrade your laptop's memory or just want to know its limitations, this is the perfect guide for you. The first step is to open PowerShell. To do this, simply click on the Start menu, search for PowerShell, and run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Once PowerShell is open, we'll run a command that will show us the max capacity of the physical memory array. This will tell you how much RAM your laptop can support. Enter the following command: Get-WmiObject, class Win32 physical memory array, select object, MaxCapacity. The command we used will be available in the description below. After running the command, you'll see an output similar to this. This number is in kilobytes, so to convert it to gigabytes simply. For example, 671864 kilobytes. This means your laptop can support up to 6 GB of RAM. Here are the conversions from gigabytes to kilobytes for the values you requested. And that's it! Now you know how to check the maximum RAM capacity your laptop can support using PowerShell. It's a quick and easy way to gather important information about your system, especially if you're planning to upgrade your RAM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.